Louduna National Highway Singda Leiriba Security ki Phibam ki Matangda review meeting ama PANGTHOKKHRE LOINANA IMPHAL DIMAPUR LAMBI ki bus service HOUDOKLAGANI HAIRI Chief Minister chair Louduna PANGTHOKKIBA Combined Headquarters Unified Command Security Meeting aduda housing oriba law and order ki matangda kupna khanaki Meeting aduna National Highway Singda Leiriba Security ki Phibam ki matangda su khanaki Meeting aduda Dr. Punit Kumar Goel Chief Secretary Manipur Kuldeep Singh, Advisor Security Government of Manipur Mukesh Singh, Director General of Police DGP Manipur Larry Doji Latu ADGP Intelligence Major General Gaurav Sharma IGAR South Major General Subankar Basu GOC 57 Mountain Division Amadi Rajendra Narayan Das IG CRPF MN Sector and Chingmana Sarugyaki LOINANA Central Paramilitary Force Amadi Intelligence Agency Singhi Senior Representative Singh SIB Minister of Home Affairs की Joint Director BSF की Deputy Inspector General ITBP की Commandant SSB की Commanding Officer Singsu Sargya की Unified Command Meeting की मतुंगदा Chief Minister ने chair Louduna जब मानना Top Security Official Singh Transporter की Representative Singh यावना IMPHAL Guwahati amadi IMPHAL Dimapur bus service hauhanaba wafong khanaki LOINANA Thasig manungda IMPHAL Guwahati amadi IMPHAL Dimapur bus service asi Chief Minister Khemchand Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipjen amadi Saitu Assembly Constituency ki MLA Haukolet Kipjen yauna Kangpopi District Headquarter dagi bus service HOUDOKLAGANI HAIRI